In this video, we'll explain the difference between using the traditional way of producing link chains and the new chains linker innovative way of producing link chains. Prior to the chains linker invention, one could produce chains by either using machines or by hand. Using machines with an automated system meant that substantial amounts would need to be invested in buying the machine and on its maintenance. The design would be limited to the one that the machine can produce, and each link would also need added work, namely to be soldered either by another machine or by a professional goldsmith. The automated system using machines is a long process and inevitably produces a long chain of the same chain linking process without any scope for creative design, so as to justify the running cost of the machines. Alternatively, a goldsmith can cast individual links one by one and solder them by hand. This process also is time-consuming. 100 links means soldering 100 times just to produce one chain. Requires a professional goldsmith. Causes ecological damage from the emissions produced by soldering. And is a long-term health hazard to factory workers who inhale toxic gas the soldering produces. This is now all part of the past. With the innovative chains linker invention, there is no need to buy expensive machines. There are endless designs that can be created without limitation. And most importantly, there is no need to solder each link one by one. Advantages of using chains linker include more ecologically friendly. No soldering is required, therefore no toxic air emissions. No health hazard. No toxic gases are inhaled by factory workers, leading to avoidance of potential employer liabilities. Local production. Cheaper to produce, therefore no need for outsourcing to China. Equal opportunity. No skills are required in order to build a chain. The widest selection ever seen. No more limitation to conventional designs, and the ability for a consumer to choose a bespoke design for any occasion, therefore enhancing customer satisfaction while maintaining authenticity and artisanship using beautiful designs. We have created a website with basic functionality to illustrate the potential of the chains linker invention from the customer's point of view. We will use the Build Your Own Bracelet page in order to show the advantage that the chains linker invention can offer your customers. First, it allows the customer to choose the width of the bracelet. We are displaying two sizes, but size is unlimited. Second, it allows consumers to choose the length of the bracelet. That allows you to target a wider audience from small babies to the largest individuals. Third, it allows customers to design their own personalized bracelet. A proposed customer can simply choose the category of links, of which we have populated only a few so far. The customer can drag and drop the links to the bracelet. By default, we have set it to 10K gold, but customers can choose different metals and carats accordingly. Fourth, it allows customers to see the cost of each link from the most expensive to the cheapest, giving them the freedom and control to budget costs on their personalized bracelet. Fifth, customers can pick and choose different metals and gold colors in any one bracelet. Sixth, customers can choose the metal type of the link as well as its gold color. Seventh, customers are able to choose the quality of each stone. These are among the available functionalities. From a business perspective, the matter is very simple. We have the ready-made links that can be put together according to the customer's personalized design. In the past 12 months, we've been working to improve the mechanics of the chains linker and also to widen the range of designs. Our aim is to reach the 1,000th design by the end of this year. The chains linker invention enables anyone to combine in one single piece of jewelry different types of links ranging from European letters, designs such as flowers, hearts, animals, and numbers. Different metals and even different gold colors can be used, making the process of jewelry production easy, fun, creative, and personalized for any occasion, for oneself or as a gift. It is estimated that the global personalized gifts market size will reach $31.63 billion USD by 2021. Are you ready to offer personalized jewelry? With the chains linker invention, the creation of personalized bracelets, chains, earrings, necklaces, pendants, rings, and more can be less time-consuming, more colorful, easy, and fun. For more information on the patent and the market opportunity, please contact us on info@chainslinker.com or call on WhatsApp 0044 77 99 55 74 03.